Greetings, friends. This is Vincent from Golden Key Realty, yet again bringing you another landmark project. Now, this is a resale property in one of the most prized locations of Bangalore city. Anybody who knows Koramangala, third block, will definitely understand what I'm saying. This is part of the Billionaire town, the Billionaire colony. Just giving you a preview from the outside, the main lane, how it looks like. It's a stone's throw away from St. Francis School, Raheja Viveria. This is a 40-60 plot area with a construction area of 6,000 square feet. We are in the parking area of the property. This is a 4-car park garage. It has a servant's room. It also has a small storeroom. You can see the expanse. 4 luxury cars can be easily parked in this particular stilt parking that we have. This is a ground plus 3-story structure, 6,000 square feet of built up with 4 bedrooms with 4 attached washrooms and an impeccable house. It's a Vastu designed, completely Vastu compliant home, east facing entrance. What you see is complete marble flooring. The house has been made with lot of love, lot of affection, lot of finesse and a lot of heart by the owners, and this is up for listing right now. We are standing in front of, right in the living room area. You can see the expanse, you can see the huge space that is there to offer. I will showcase you the mandir also, as we all require divine blessings from time to time on a daily basis. That's a very important aspect. It's 100% Vastu compliant, so that is not a concern at all. We move into the deeper part of the house. Whatever you see is what you get. Obviously, the movable furniture will go and some will remain. We can discuss this with the owner. This is the bedroom on the ground level. Okay, so it's done up with a lot of heart. It's done up with a lot of affection. It's done up with a lot of detailing. The best of the best material has been used, Italian marble and so on and so forth. This is the kitchen area. This also has 2 servants' rooms as well, along with their washrooms for your domestic help. And we go up on level 1. This is all Italian marble staircase. As you can see, it has a beautiful chandelier also. We're going up to level 1 where the bedrooms are, and this is the level 1. We turn the left. This is the master bedroom. You can see the expanse, you can see the size, fit for a king and queen basically. It is nothing short of pure luxury. It is nothing short of pure love and affection that this has been designed with. This is the walk-in closet. That is the washroom door. You got ample space for your storage as well. I mean, you don't need to say much about the place. It's Koramangala third block. You can't get better than this. This is the second bedroom. And we move deeper part of the level 1. There's another bedroom towards the left. This is the seating area on the level 1 with a small sit-out balcony as well. Okay, so this is Koramangala third block, an address fit for the connoisseurs of luxury dwellings. The who's who of the Bangalore city live in this particular area. The house is wonderfully done up on 2,400 square feet of plot of land, BDA approved, all approvals in place, 6,000 square feet. And we'll go up to the other level. The other level has almost 1,000 square feet of a huge open area which can be used as an AV room, as a gym, as a party hall, entertainment lounge or whatever. So what you see is all Italian marble. The artifacts have been collected over a period of time by the owners as they've been avid travelers, and what can stay and what they will take away with them, that is open for discussion. Just look at this space, just soak in the atmosphere. A floor plan that has done justice to this particular size of land. Full utilization of space in the best possible manner. We walk out from the main area and we have a 600 square feet of open sit out. You can easily have seating here of about 10 to 15 people, a small gathering for your evening tea, morning coffee. And we go up to the roof. The architectural design is marvelous. You will not see any pillars anywhere. That's the way it's been designed. And they have solar heater panels on top as well. And their small kitchen garden is what you see right in front of you. So this house is basically up for sale. People who know Koramangala third block would know the value of this particular place. It is a beautifully done up house. It's basically someone's heart that they're wanting to move out from here for reasons, basically moving to a different place, and they would want to liquidate this investment. Very new construction, just about 5 to 6 years old. What you see is what you get. This kind of floor plan and this kind of design is very, very rare. And we come down again to the sit out area, as you can see, and that's how it all looks like. So it's something that people who are looking for an individual bungalow in Koramangala third block, the most prized address and the colony of Bangalore, can definitely give a shout out. We can send out the details to you. It is by invitation only, and we would be, wanting to see exactly who's would want to inspect the house before you'd like to come, so that we do not want to waste the time of the owners as well as the prospective buyers. So do get in touch if you're interested, or if you have the appetite for this kind of a bungalow in Koramangala third block. This is Vincent. Do like, share and subscribe.